Sir, I have done one just now.
Is that very good? Yeah, put it to the group.
No, sir, still no.
Right.
Sir, we have to make MCQs. How many?
I'll give you, right? 10 MCQs from the first 2 lessons. I'll give you that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
So, do we want to put the answers there?
Yes, you have to put the answers, but later
Okay.
I'll show you how to put the answers. Huh?
Today?
Yes. Now I'll show you. Right now, think
Okay, sir.
like this. Others also can
Okay,
see
sir.
this
Thank you.
document. Neda? May document එක හරිය නේද පේනවනේ ඔක්කොමලටම? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. मैं meeting එක පටන් ගද්දි message එකක් ආවා leave meeting continue meeting කියලා ඒක click කරලා බලන්න.
Oh, sir.
මොකක්ද?
The recorded has started now කියලා. Girl කෙනෙක්ගේ voice එකක් එනවා ඊට පස්සේ. The recorded has started now කියලා. Do you want to leave or continue කියලා කියනවා.
ඊට පස්සේ මොකද ඔයගොල්ලන් කරුවේ? continue කරුවද?
අපි continue කරපුවාම log වුණා. Sir, 4 පාරක් විතර
I think, sir, excuse me, sir.
ඔව් පුතා.
Sir, I think, sir, you are recording now. So
Yes.
I think the computer is allowing you to be recording. That's why, sir.
Yeah, that's what that sound is going on.
Getting
But there
permission,
must be some option. I think some
No,
options.
sir, I think they are getting permission to record.
Yes, sir. From they are getting permission from us to record, I think.
Right. Okay. So I think then they have upgraded something. Oh, otherwise sometimes it can be from here. This look, my computer. Some settings has changed. We'll see. However, you all okay? No, Ola there. No, right? Yes, good. Now, if you want to select the answer, what is the answer for the first one? What is the input device?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. All right. So you can highlight like this. You can highlight like this. Then you can go to the highlighter and you can apply the color. So that color will be applied. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now again.
I have a question.
Yes, Sinitma, tell me.
When we apply something to that text we have written,
Yeah.
we only can we can't touch the home now that the Word document home.
Yes. Okay.
We can't touch now that one.
Why?
We only can right click only.
Oh, what is that? So when you press tab, it will come like this. If you want to select the answer, you can highlight like this, right?
Yeah, highlight, but we have to press the right click. Just right click.
No need to right click. You just highlight like this. Okay. Then just go to home and select whatever the highlight color.
I think, sir, from her method, I think she will right click and then it means left click and then highlight it.
Don't do like that, Buddha. Now just do like this. Just click here and press the mouse button, highlight this one and go to the option and select Sinetma.
Sir,
Okay.
but it doesn't allow now.
You got the answer? Okay.
No, sir, it doesn't allow us to do that. Go to the home when we highlight.
I think then you are like Word document, something wrong with that.
Sir,
Now think something like this here. Okay. If I am not updated this one, okay, I like this document. Now it is not allowing me to do the edit. Okay.
Yes.
Because that version not allowing me. So because of that, I am using 2010 version here with the Windows configuration. Okay.
I'm using 2013 version.
Yeah, that's what. And you are having the key. You are having the permission with that.
No, sir.
Yeah, that's
I
what.
have permission, but I cannot touch the home screen while I am highlighting them.
So that means it is inactive. Ne? The whole that like now here you can see cut and copy. it is not active. Something like that.
No, sir, it's not like that. We can't touch the home button
Uh-huh.
while that. If we touch the home button, I can't make like
Change it.
highlight the.
Okay, okay. What I can do after finishing this part, I'll ask you to share the screen. Then we'll see what we can do. Hurry.
I'm using another computer.
All right. Okay. Right. Now here, I'm going to use a table. Right? How we can use the table? Go to insert. Go to insert. Now we are moving to the insert tab. Huh? Now earlier we was there in home tab. Now you are going to insert. From insert, you are going to table. And from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns here? 4 columns. Now I am going to give 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, something like this. Right, now look what happens. Now with the help of this table, you can type whatever the things that you required. Type කරගන්න පුළුවන්. So I am typing here something like this, properties. Property. And after type the heading, you press the tab key. Tab එක press කරපු ගමන් ඊළඟ column එකට යනවා. Tab එක press කරපු ගමන් ඊළඟකට යනවා. So we'll write solids, something like liquids and gases, something like this. Okay. So what are the properties? Definite shape. So here you can see now red color. It is underlining with red color. That means what? I have given wrong spellings. So what I can do, I can right click on this one and I can select the correct spellings, right? What I have done here, I have mistakenly done some mistake, spelling mistake. So what I can do, I can right click on this red color line, right click. Then from here, they are giving some options. So you can select definite, okay? Right? So you are having the spellings, so you can select the spellings.
Excuse me, sir. That word is correct. We can put ignore, no?
Yes. You can right click and you can ignore that. Okay? Okay? Right. Definite shape. Now you can give a definite volume.
So how can we erase it? We have to go one by one. No? Can't
What?
we erase it together?
So here, the whole thing, you can highlight like this and you can press delete. The whole thing erased.
Okay, sir. Okay,
And,
sir.
yeah. How you can undo? How you can go to the previous stage?
By backspace.
Backwards. We press backwards key.
No. How you
Or
can
in
undo?
the
How you can undo?
in that top.
What, Nicole?
Control Z.
Control Z. Control and
Control
Z.
Z.
Control Z. When you press Control and Z, what will happen? It will undo. Okay.
It will undo.
Yes. ඒක මතක තියාගන්න දැන්. Yes, Buddha. Okay, good. Thank you. Right. Then have mass. Okay. Flow. Something like this. So you can give something like this. So you are having a table. You can give something like this. Right? Property. So what I want now, I want to highlight this one. So I'll take highlight like this. And I can go to home. I can make it bold. I can change the size of this one. I can make it center. Now you all know this one. Now this is okay with you all. Right? Now. Okay. Is it clear for you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I want to like now here I want to take this square as one, right? Solids. I'm highlighting like this. Okay, I want to put a picture here. So I have highlighted.
Can't see that.
Can't see? Others, can you all see this highlighted one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Yeah, tell me, Buddha. Right, now what I am going to do, I am going to keep the cursor highlighting like this, right click, and I am selecting merge cells. What will happen? Merging, merge cells. Can you see now it's applying like one cell,
Yes, sir.
right? One cell. Right, now what I'm doing, I'm taking, I'm going to the internet, Google Home, and I'm typing solids in maths. Okay, so I'm taking images. So here I have the solids. So I'll take some from here. I'll take the I'll save the image. I'll save the image to grade 7. Okay, save.
I can't see the.
Right, now what I have done, I have used the internet, Puta. I went to Google and I have typed solid maths, solids in maths, and I have right click on this image and I have select save as image, save image as, and I have select the path, my practical folder, and I have select save. Now I have saved the image. Now I am going to my Word document. Here I have the Word document. Now I am keeping the cursor here, I can go to insert, picture, and I'm selecting this one and insert. Can you see? Now it has applied like this. You can resize as you want, you can resize it. Can you understand?
Yes.
Right. How you can merge? Now I want to merge only these three. May tuna vitarai merge karanna one. How I can do? I can keep the cursor like this. On the method 1, 2, 3, 4. I want only from here. This one I want to keep like this. If I want to merge only these three, yeah. Okay. Right. So what you can do, you can keep the cursor here. 1, 2, 3. So you are highlighting like this. Again, right click and merge cells. So when you merge, now you can see one is here. The other cursor, you can keep it here. Now think, I want to merge only these two. So what I am doing, keeping the cursor like this, highlighting like this, right click and merge cells. Now you can see like this, right? The table, you can customize. The table you can customize according to your requirement. දැන් හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න පුතා, ඕගොල්ලන් මොන හරි දෙයක් කරද්දි අපිට මතකයි ජනුති කරපු ડોකියුමන්ට් එකේදී she has done about the vehicles. එතකොට අපිට මේ ටේබල් එකක් අරගෙන ලස්සනට ලෝගෝ එක දාලා ලෝගෝ එක වෙනම heading එක වෙනම එතකොට මේ ටේබල් එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා කරන්න පුළුවන් වුණා නම් well organized නේද? මම ජනුතික ගන්න practicals. Okay, right. අපි කොහොමද ගත්තේ? Places. Right. මේ places එක ගන්න.
Sir, we can't see now.
Right. I'll show you.
Sir, your screen is stuck.
Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you can see here. When you use this one, you can organize this. නේද? මේවා ටික ලස්සනට table එකක organize කරගන්න පුළුවන්. With the help of what? With the help of the table, you can merge and you can use different methods. නේද? Different methods පාවිච්චි කරලා නේද? දැන් මේක උනත් පාවිච්චි කරද්දී what you can do, you can use the tables. You can use the table, you can use the heading, and for these ones you can put the bullets, something like that. Right. Then again, when you use this one, this is Janudit work. For this one, you can put the heading, you can put the vehicle on one side, the logo in one side. ඒවට heading එක දාලා ලස්සනට you can organize in a table like this. මේ වගේ table එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා ලස්සනට organize කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, right? So what we have done, we have merged නේ. කොහොමද merge කරුවේ? We have highlighted like this, right click and merge cells. Okay, merge කරන්න පුළුවන්. Now what I want to divide this cell. මට මේක cell එක divide කරගන්න ඕනේ. So I can keep the cursor like this. I can right click and split cell. මේ එකකට කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? cell එකක් කියලා. Now I have keep the cursor inside this cell. If I want to divide this cell, what I can do, right click and I can select split cells. Split. Oh, now I am clicking on this. Number of columns. How many columns we required? Mama 2 කියලා දීලා number of rows 1 නේ. එක row එකයිනේ පුතා. ඒ row එක දෙකට බෙදන්න කිව්වා නම් what will happen? It will divide into 2. Now you can see it has divided into 2. Can you understand that?
Sir, can you do it again?
Yes. I'll do something to this row. මේ තියෙන එක row එකක්. So I am keeping the cursor inside. Right click on this one and I am selecting split cells. Selecting like this. So here you are typing 3. So what will happen? This row will be dividing into 3 columns and select OK. Now you can see it has divided into 3 columns. Can you understand that? Yes. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Yes, I'll do Buddha. I'll do this one. I'll put this into YouTube. Okay. Right. Can you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So now today what I have done, I have teach you like how to insert the table, how to customize the
Table.
Very wait, I want to join, sir. No, sir.
Sir, can you see my one?
Where you have put Sudha?
Sir, in my camera, I am showing right.
Wait, I'll check that. Okay. Yes, I can see it. Yes. Okay, I'll take it to this one. Yes, Sudha, very good. Okay. Yes. Same thing you have done, no? Very good. Natashat kirwa ne, Rashayan utkalla diyana ne. Good, really good, huh? Same thing that I have. You will have taken a screenshot of my one, no, right? Same thing.
Yes, yes.
Good, really good. Okay, Chenali.
Sir, I send it in the chat as a Word document that I did.
Right. Okay, I'll check that one also. Very good, huh? Right. I thought you all have taken a screenshot of my one. Okay. Right. Okay. How you can take the screenshot? So I'm keeping here, pressing the
Keeping tool.
snipping. Yes. Right. We'll type snipping. Right. Snipping
Sir,
tool. Yes.
sir, we can take a screenshot with the key called TRT. I thought it was speed screen.
Yeah. Yes. That is really easy. But you can use the snipping tool too. How you can take the snipping
I'm
tool?
using that, sir, because it is sometimes that the pre-screen won't work.
Yes. Yeah, that's right. Right. Now what you can,
Also, we can go to
Yeah.
view options and annotation, and we can click save, and we can save this file as a document.
yes, we can do like that. But here now, if you want to take a screenshot of this one and put it to the Word document, easily you can press the print screen button, PRTSC. I am pressing that now. Press keruwa. Now what I can do, I can keep the cursor here. I can keep the cursor, Control and V. Now you can see my document is there. So what I have done, I want to take a screenshot of my document. Okay, I want to take the screenshot of. Yeah, Yalin sir, just send it. Okay, take the screenshot and I have pasted. How I have pasted? What is the shortcut key to paste? What is the shortcut key to paste? Control
Control V.
plus V key neda. V ekai control ekai V ekai paste karna neda. Plus ekak yeah, control and V. Okay. Yes. Okay, Nicole. I got it. Right. Now you have the screenshot. Okay. You can paste it. Okay, Nimnitya. Right. Now what I want to cut this one. How I can do the edit part? I can select the document.
If you mean you are going to crop that, sir?
Yeah, crop that. How you can crop?
Going to format.
Format.
And there is the call crop.
Yes. Right hand corner, top, you are having the crop. So you are selecting crop and you can crop like this. Whatever the part that you required from the document, you can crop it like this. You can crop it.
We can crop it, right?
Yes, yes. But you have to use the same options, right? You have to use the same options. With the options, you can crop it. And after cropping, what you can do, you can change the size of it. Neither. Change the size of it. Now this is like what? Now here, in this one, okay, in this one, you can do the modifications. You can do the modification. But here, can you do any modifications?
No.
No, you can't do any modification. Okay.
Because it is a screenshot.
Screenshot and it is appearing like an image, neither.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Puta. Okay, snipping tool, Windows, Windows key plus Shift key plus S. That is the shortcut key, right? Windows
Yes.
key. Okay, Puta. Right. How we can use the insert a video? I'll show you, right? Okay. Now, normally we are not using with the word processing software. Word processing software we are using to format a document. Videos and everything we are putting into the PowerPoint. Later we'll discuss about that. Now, can you understand these parts? Make a hurry. Second ek a hurry. Table ek a hurry, neither?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So I have even customized the table.
Is that?
Yes, sir.
Now,
I have clicked the table and changed the color from the home and went to the colors.
Right. Okay. So you have select this one, selected, and you have taken the layout from the designing. From the designing you
So
have.
can you see my screen?
Wait.
Can you see my camera?
Still can't. Wait. Yes. Can see. Yes. You have applied the colors and everything. Design format. Okay. Good. Right. Right. Others. Now look here. What I want, I said I need the MCQ questions. 10 MCQ questions. Okay. So you have to go through the first 2 lessons and you have to prepare the MCQ questions. So what are the first 2 lessons?
It means teacher to the whole 2 lessons, 10 questions.
Yes, 10 questions. So you are having this one. So what I want you all to read this one. How did make a read karala? Isalla nika questions tika liya ganna. Right? 10 questions. හැම එක්කෙනාම 10 questions හදන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට මට අද 20ක් විතර ඉන්නෝනේ. 200 questions හම්බෙනවා නේද? Okay. First 2 lessons ටික හොඳට කියවන්න. First 2 lessons දෙක කියවලා questions 10ක් හදන්න යන්නේ. Can you see the textbook? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see,
How
right?
can see?
Yes. Right. Now you are going through this one. නේද? මේ තියෙන්නේ අපි කරපු දේවල් CPU එක ගැන, input output devices ගැන, CPU එකේ තියෙන components ගැන, generations ගැන, ඊට පස්සේ about the operating system. Operating system එකේ තියෙන දේවල් ගැන. මේ table නෙමෙයි පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙන්නේ, tables පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙන්නේ නේද? Something like this. You can now use the images, you can place it නේද? ලස්සනට ඒක ඒ විදිහට කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් මම පෙන්නන්න යන්නේ how you can do, right? දැන් මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? හැමතිස්සෙම මොන හරි එකක් කරන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා plan එකක් දාගන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට මම කිව්වා මට images ටිකයි ඕනේ කියන එක. right? මට ලස්සන table එකක් හදාගන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් මම table එක හදාගන්න පුතා. මෙන්න මේ විදිහට table එක දාගන්නවා. මේ table එකේ මම මොකක්ද කරන්නේ? මට ඕනේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම 1 කියලා දෙන්න. What is an input device? ඔන්න මම දුන්න ලස්සනට. දීලා ඉවරලා ඊළඟට මට වෙන්න ඕනේ දේ තමයි මෙතන තියෙන මේක මෙතන ආපහු බෙදෙනවා මෙන්න මේ විදියට. මට එනවා උත්තර ටික එන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් උත්තර ටික එන්න මට ටේබල් එකේ එන්න ඕනේ A B C D. උත්තර ටික මෙන්න මේක ඇතුලේ එන්නේ. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ ඊළඟ ක්වෙස්චන් එකට යද්දි මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? ආපහු මේක මර්ජ් වෙලා දෙවෙනි ක්වෙස්චන් එක. හරිද? දෙවෙනි ක්වෙස්චන් එක ඔය විදියට එනවා. මේක මර්ජ් වෙනවා. මෙතන එනවා what is an output device. මෙන්න මේ විදියට එනවා. ඒක ඇතුලේ ආපහු මොකද වෙන්නේ? ආපහු මට වෙන්න ඕනේ A B C කියන එක මෙන්න මේ විදියට බෙදෙන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? ඕක තමයි මගේ රික්වයර්මන්ට් එක. දැන් මම ඒක කරලා පෙන්නන්නයි යන්නේ. Yes, you have to do in a table. Okay? Right? ඔන්න මෙන්න මේ විදියට දැම්මා. එතකොට මට කොච්චරක් ඕනද? මට කොච්චරක් columns ඕනද? How many columns that I have required? මේ ලොකු වැඩක් මේ ලොකු වැඩක්. 1යි 2යි මෙතන මේ නේද? හරියට තිබුණොත් එහෙම 2යි 3යි. columns 3ක් නේද?
Sir, do we want to use Microsoft Word or the Excel and copy the table and paste it?
It doesn't matter.
Okay,
But if
sir.
you are going with the Word, that is my aim. මගේ aim එක වෙන්නේ ඒක. We have to do the word practicals, no? If you can do with MS Word, that will be better for me and better for you. How to use the tables, how to merge it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. ඔන්න මට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා 1 2 3 කියන එක ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට columns ටික මට ඕන විදිහට columns දාගන්න පුළුවන් 1 2 3 4 any number of columns, but I need how many any number of rows, how many columns that I required? 1 2 3 columns I required. Okay, right. ඔන්න බලන්න මම කරන දේ. Clear all drawings. So now I am going to insert the table. Insert table. I want 3 columns and I am taking any number of rows. How you can take the number of rows more? You can keep the cursor like this and you can press enter. හරිද? මෙතනින් මේ enter එක press කර කර යන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? ඕන තරම් දාගන්න පුළුවන් මේකට. Okay, right. Now otherwise, now what I am doing, otherwise I am pressing the control, it said insert table. Can you understand? මේ වෙන කලින් මම කරුවේ insert table ගිහලා මෙතනින් මෙහෙම select කරුවා. But now what I am doing, I am using table from here, insert table. I am using this option. මෙන්න මේ option එක select කරනවා. Yes, Aditya, yes. Right? So now what I have done, I have select insert table from here, insert table. One of them. How many columns are required? 3 columns. How many number of rows I required? I want how many rows? Question for question 10. 4 into 10, 50. I need 50 rows. Okay, I'm giving 50 and press enter. Right, now here you can see how many number of columns and rows are there. Okay, right, now I want to make it like smaller. So see here, right, see what I'm going to do. From here I'm taking the cursor to this corner. හරිද? මොකද උනේ? මේ බලන්න එකක් විතරක් එහාට මෙහාට ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. So what I'm doing, Control Z. Now here you have the table. You are highlighting like this. How I have highlighted everything? You move the cursor and you can see the small arrow. You can highlight like this. The whole thing will be coming to this corner. So now you can say, when you make it smaller, it will apply like this. Now what I want, I want to take this one to this corner. So here you have. I want to make this one bigger. Oh, I'll do something like this. And I want to make it bigger. Okay, I'll keep the cursor. Now here you can see this is, we are calling as the ruler. This is the ruler. On ruler, what you have done, move the table column. So you can move the table column as you want. You can keep the cursor like this and you can change like this. Okay. So I'm giving here 1 and make it 1. Okay. Now I want to merge these two. So I'm highlighting, right click, merge the cells. So I'm writing here, what is an input device from the following list. Now, yes, do we have to make short note about the 2 lessons, inserting tables and no need Puda, no need. I need simple questions. You all have to know how to use the tables. For that you do the practicals. Neither steps. Oh, is called a lesson steps. You have to use the keyboard. You have to practice with the keyboard and you have to know why you are using word. Okay, what are the advantages of using word, something like that. හරිද? විභාගෙට අපි ඒක ලෑස්තියමු. දැනට මේ practical එක. හරි? Yes, Puta. How many minutes we are having? 7 minutes. Okay. Yes. After cut this session, log again. Apo log in.
Okay, sir.
Yes. A. So I'm giving A. Right. Here I'm typing. Now the answers. Keyboard. Right. B. Mouse. Or the speaker. Right.
Sir,
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, Puda.
sir, can you show again the table how to move the to
Alright.
have the small grid?
Yes, I'll show you.
Okay, sir.
Right. The second question, I'm leaving one row. How we can leave the row? I am highlighting like this and merge cells. So here I have select merge cells and I'm going for the second question. Now see second question. I'm merging like this. Right click and merge cells. මතක තියාගන්න මේවට ගොඩාක් වෙලාව නාස්ති කරන්නේ. What are the main components of the CPU? What are the main components of CPU? Again, A. බලන්න well organized නේද? ALU.
Yes.
Yes. Right. B. දැන් මම ඉතලා මේ වලට හුරු වෙන්න. ALU. CU. C.
Memory register.
Very good. Register. Memory register. D. All of above. Can you understand? Then again, you are
Yes.
merging like this. Right click.
Right
Merge.
click.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now you can go for the third question. Something like this. Right? After finishing everything, you are selecting the table. Okay? You are selecting the table. After selecting this one, you are selecting the table. Look here what I'm going to do. Borders. Okay? No borders. Right? Now what will happen? No borders. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So it is well organized now. There's no borders. But what happened? Everything organized very clearly. නේද? හොඳට organized වෙලා තියෙනවා. තව ඔයගලන්ට මේකට apply කරන්න පුළුවන් නම් තව.
Show that.
Yes. So you are selecting the border like this. You are going to format. Wait. Right? You are selecting like this. You are going to border in designing. Okay. When you select, highlight the, like you are clicking on this point, table එකේ මෙන්න මේ point එකට click කරනවා. click කරපුවම the whole table will be selecting. The whole table will be selecting. Now what you can do, you can go to design, borders, click on the borders and select no borders. Or if you select all borders, now it applied again. Can you see? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, you are. When you click, the whole table will be highlighting. When you go to design, yes. Again, question. Yeah, Januti, I'll check that. They're asking to save. So I'll go to my PC. D. Grade 7. May. Practicals. I'll save like this. Yes, Janati, good. Janati, එවපු එකේ මට එවපු එකේ පුතා චුට්ටක් මේ යහට මෙහාට වෙලා තියෙනවා. So change the size of this one. Size එක අපි change කරමු. Okay. Right, good. Okay, පුතා. Right. Now here you can see this one. Now what I have done, I have highlighted designing borders. From borders you can select whatever the border that you require. Outside the border. Outside borders, right? Something like this. I have removed that. So no borders. So nothing will appear. So nicely this document will be appearing. Now you have asked, yes, you have asked how to apply, how to change the size of this one. So how you can do insert. I'm selecting tables. From insert table, I need how many columns? 3 columns. I need, I'll take 4 rows and select OK. So it has applied like this. How you can change the size of these ones? Now you can see on the top ruler, on the ruler, you can see these ones. So what you can do, easily you can highlight, you can right click and merge. You can write MCQ bank.
Excuse
So
me,
this
sir.
is question bank or something. You can highlight it and you can go to home and you can make it bigger. Yes. And you
Can you,
yeah. Sir, yes.
sir, can you tell how to highlight?
How to highlight? Now you can see a small arrow, right? Can you see black color small arrow?
Yes, sir.
You can go to the corner of this one, just click, then highlighted the whole thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Now you want to change the size of these ones. Just keep the cursor here. And from here you can see, now the arrow has changed to this one. 2 arrowheads. Move table column. Now you can change it to like this. So make it smaller. Now if you want to take it, this one again, you can click and drag it here. So the thing will be appearing. From here, what you can do, you can make it bigger like this. Okay. Right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puda.
How to put a picture in that solid column?
Solid column.
Yes.
Right. So if you want to put a image, just click here and go to insert. Go to pictures, you select the picture that you want, insert. So it will apply like this. Then you can resize. You can change the size. Now you can see here. Okay. Right? Can you understand?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
excuse me. Sir, I sent a message to the chat.
Is that? Okay. Yes, Puta. Yes. You have to go with the table. Table එකේ මෙන්න මේ විදිහට යන්න. මේ විදිහටම format එක පාවිච්චි කරන්න. Can you understand?